Hi, in this video we will see how WebHarvy can be used to scrape data from consumeraffairs.com website. We will be scraping reviews of insurance companies. So you can see that this is a listings page, and if I scroll down, the page loads more data on the same page if you click on this button. So this is a lot more type pagination which can be easily configured using WebHarvy. But for this specific website, since it breaks the pattern as you click on this button, we need to make the following settings change. Go to settings, advanced minor options, and select low for data selection accuracy, 2 for minimum number of items required in a list, and 1 for number of levels higher in HTML tone. OK, and apply. And now we can start configuration. Click on the load more button and set it as the load more data link. Now WebHarvy knows how to load multiple pages and extract the data which we select, and we can straight away start the data selection. Click on the name. No, you can also scrape the rating. Okay, so I just noticed that the read reviews is appearing as a separate row. So let's do the selection again. So if I click on the entire block of text and highlight just the name and then click on the capture text, I will get the names correctly. Then the rating, the number of reviews, the page URL. You can also click on this and follow this link so that more details can be selected from the details page. So we can get the address, and let's also select the pros and cons using the capture following text method like this. All right, so assuming we have selected all the required data, we can stop the configuration and start mining. This is where WebHarvy actually scrapes that. I have to specify the number of pages to mine. The mine all pages option will be disabled in the case of load more and infinite scroll pagination. So you have to specify. You can specify a large enough number, and mining will automatically stop when the last page is reached. So WebHarvy has loaded the first page, and it's now scrolling down and clicking on the load more button multiple times till 10 pages are loaded. So let's wait for the pages to load. And now we can see that it has completely loaded all the pages and pulling the data. So we need to check two things here, whether there are only 28 rows of data and whether the addresses are not available for listings from the third row. So let's stop configuration and let's see how many insurance companies are there in total. Yes, there are only 27 companies, so there was no point in mining for 10 pages. 3 number of pages would have been sufficient. And regarding address, so if I go to this company, you can see that there is no address for this company. So that's the reason why only the first 2 had address. I hope you find this video useful. In case you have any questions, please contact us at support@webharvy.com. Thank you.